only one polio case in the recent records of the entire province Punjab. Yes, Punjab is closest than ever to achieving a polio free future, as it has experienced an approximate decline of 41% of the missed children clusters, which is an impeccable instance and a testament of a coordinated action, the proper surveillance systems of the province, and the outreach activities related to polio. As Punjab claimed a significant progress in the eradication of the polio virus circulation, the Chief Minister's focal person on polio program and the member of the Punjab Assembly in a media engagement session had said that the trends of the polio cases over the past years have been scrutinized and closely monitored, and there has been a prominent an apparent and a real-time decline in the environmental surveillance system as far as the polio cases are concerned in the province Punjab. Moreover, Lahore demonstrating as a phenomenal and an impeccable example in this regard, where there was high mobility, where there were humongous amount of migrant communities from the various provinces and areas of Pakistan. It was quite difficult and challenging to curb and eradicate the polio cases. But with the coordinated action, with the provincial surveillance, and with proper outreach activities of the polio, it has been eradicated to a greater extent. Keeping in consideration the particular stance of the Chief Minister of Punjab, that protecting the life of the last child from polio remains one of the biggest and top public health priorities of the government of Punjab. And in this regard also, the Chief Minister's focal person on polio program had reiterated the fact once again that even though there had been a significant progress in the eradication of the polio virus circulation, there still requires a collective and a sustained action to combat the polio viruses altogether from the province of Punjab. And in this regard, they have not only advised the governmental authorities and officials, but have also requested the general public, the citizens, and the professional strata of the society to make people socially aware so that they shall accept the vaccinations more and more, and this menace shall be ultimately eradicated or curbed down from the society.